Hey guys, it's me and Shannon. We're here in our new home. It's been 2 weeks since our last video. We forgot to do a video because we were super busy doing all the things you do when you move into a new home. And we also went on a nice trip for Thanksgiving, so we really only had 3 days to move in and get everything situated. We went on a trip and then we had 1 day before we went back to work to get everything in order. So we've been super busy, waking up at 7 a.m., working till 11, getting everything in its place. Still not there. We're gonna do a tour on this video, but there's still a lot of stuff that's not where we want it to be. So bear with us, but we want to get you guys a video just to let you know about the updates. The last video was 3 days before the final home inspection. We went on the final home inspection and there were 38 things that needed to be addressed. Most of them were super minor. They cleaned the house very well actually from the last video. The biggest thing was still the driveway. Glad she remembers. The driveway was the biggest thing, so they cut slits in that and it's all good now.
The electrical
in the bathroom. That still wasn't fixed when we came for the final inspection. He thought it would be fixed, but it wasn't. But they got it all squared away. Everything's good up there. And the stripping at all of the doors
from hardwood
to the carpet. That wasn't in yet, so he said he needed to reorder it, but that's good now. Everything when we moved in was pretty good. They did a really good job. So
3 days, they painted a lot, they sanded a lot.
So good job, KB Homes. It wasn't a disaster video. Happy to announce they did pretty well. We've had a few issues. We'll get into the one that we had in the living room, which is very small, and a small one that we had in the kitchen, another small thing. The biggest issue we had overall this entire time was the sewer system coming out of our house. For some reason, the plumber put in a paper catch in the system, which is standard, but the way he put it in was very different and no one understood why it was like that. And we came back from vacation. The day we came back, I walked around the house to check the sprinklers and I see toilet paper and everything else you can imagine, out of this pipe. Yeah, pretty nasty. Out of this pipe. It wasn't a lot, it was like a space like that big, but I was like, that's a big problem. We called the emergency hotline for KB Homes and they sent a whole team out here very, very fast. They were great. He came out and made sure everything was good to go for us, so shout out to them for helping us out with that. And yeah, we'll get into a quick tour, but please bear with us because our house is not complete, and we'll do a final update video once our house is all in order. If anybody cares to check that out, I know.
In like 2 years.
Yeah, maybe 2 years is when we'll be done because that's the pace we're going. But I know a lot of you are just checking it out for the construction updates, but if you want to see what we did, keep on watching. We're going to continue to do projects throughout. We're going to start just recording some of the projects we do because we have no clue what we're doing on most of them, but we just figure it out along the way and follow the manual, so maybe we can help you guys out too with all of our mistakes so you don't make them. But yeah, we'll get into the tour now unless Shannon has anything to add.
Connor's thriving.
She's a big Colts fan.
She's living her best life.
Yeah, she went from 700 square feet to 2,000, so she's a sleepy little dog. But yeah, we'll get into the tour now, and I'll just show you around the house. Alright guys, quick tour video. We're in the garage because it's dark out and there's not enough light to start outside where we usually do. We have both cars in the garage. My car is extremely dirty because I left it outside when we went on the trip and there's a lot of construction going on in the neighborhood, so I need a car wash. We got our trash cans, water heater there. A cool thing that I never mentioned about the water heater, when you use it, it shoots out cold air. So that's really cool. So yeah, that's the garage. They fixed up all the paint issues we had. Everything looks good. We're still clearing out a lot of stuff in here, so it doesn't look the greatest, but Oh, and also we put in the garage door opener. Shout out to Shannon's mom. She is a master electrician and helped us put in the garage door opener and everything else. So that is really great. Shannon, all by herself, put in this lovely new door handle. Did you lock it?
No.
Oh. Yeah, so you got a 4-digit combination. Not going to tell you guys that unless I know you. To go in the house, which is nice. All right, and now we are into the kitchen. Welcome to our kitchen. Again, we're not settled in yet, so we're still doing a lot of work around the house. If you didn't notice when Shannon just went through, we actually installed the microwave in the last video. You could see that this was just a vent. We put in the microwave. It was a little bit more difficult than we thought it would be, but it looks great. Sorry, the dog is eating and trying to destroy the video. We got a fridge. Every other appliance in the kitchen is a Whirlpool. The fridge is a Frigidaire, but we really liked the style of the double doors and the pull-out freezer, so you know you don't have to take pizzas out of the box and put them in sideways. The only issue we had in the kitchen was the dishwasher. The valve was turned off, so when we first tried to run it, no water came through, and I'm like, oh great, this is a big issue. But we learned from the septic guy that came out, I told him about this, and he came in and just turned a knob and made me look stupid, and it was just the valve was turned off for some reason, so everything's good. Zoom in on the dog, get it, get the action. That's our dog. She's really loving
Oh, look who made an
Oh,
appearance.
that is the cat. That is a demon. He's first he's sweet, then he's sour, usually. We got our dining room. This will not be our table, but this is what we're using temporarily because we already had it. My dad, who is a master craftsman with, you know, wood shop, everything like that, he's gonna make us a table. So looking forward to that. Can't really show you the backyard tonight because it's dark, but the sod is finally starting to settle into the ground. So the grass is starting to look nicer. Here's our living room. We got our couch from Wayfair. So pretty nice little couch, easy to move around. Nice rug we got. We have entertainment stand. This will not be our TV. This weekend I'm actually going and buying a 75-inch TV. Can't wait for that. Always wanted one. But next video we do, you're going to see that. And that video will hopefully be the completed version of this house. The only issue we had in the living room is this. Alright. Sorry, the cat likes to use the rug as a cat scratcher because he is a demon like we talked about. Alright. So this was the issue. So right now, the fan and light are on, right? You guys all saw that. What happens when I turn it off is this. It doesn't do anything. What you have to do to turn the fan and light off, put it right in the center. That's the sweet spot that turns the fan and light off. Our wiring is 100% correct. That is just something they messed up, so they're gonna fix that. They actually already have a team that they've contacted that's supposed to be out here within, you know, the next couple days to do that. Powder room. I'll let Shannon take you guys in there because it's a tight little squeeze. We have a toilet seat. The toilet's great. Everything's good. We got the mirror, the sink. We installed the little handle so you can wash your hands. I don't know why that didn't come with the bathroom. I guess they didn't.
Well, they put this in.
But who's going to wash their
toilet.
hands above the toilet? That's gross. That's gross. All right. Harry Potter dungeon. Let's go. Kona's room. We actually took the blankets out of her cage to wash them, so she actually gets more cushion than that. But yeah, that's her room. She loves it. We don't put her in there much, but sometimes. Kirby deserves to be in there more than her, actually. We'll show you outside quick. Bye, Kona. Have fun. Here is the outside. I'm trying to be quiet so we don't wake the neighbors. Got a little dog and some plants that aren't supposed to be in weather lower than 60, and it's currently like 48, so I'm freezing, so I'm going back in. Little Sebastian in the window, of course. Kona, come on. Come on, Kona. Come here.
Lead the way, dog.
Lead the way. Alright, we're going upstairs. Up the stairs we go. The carpet looks much better. They vacuumed and cleaned up all those nasty messes. Another thing I forgot to mention is how I talked about they destroyed all the framing. They actually fixed it all, and they took the door stops off for us because I don't know why we would want those in the first place. So they did a good job there. Here's the loft. The bedroom we converted into, or the loft we converted into a bedroom, sorry. The demon cat, he's probably gonna, oh, there he goes. Let's see, what is he gonna destroy? Probably gonna just jump out the window. Shatter everything. This is all of our junk that we're slowly going through and getting stuff together. I'm gonna be quick in the master because this place is a tornado.
We're only gonna show the top.
We got a great bed, guys. Great bed. All the clothes are still getting in order. We have enough room in the closet, but we got a lot of clothes. Shannon's got a lot of clothes to go through. So there's that. The bathroom. Everything's great in the bathroom. They fixed a little, we had a little scratch on our sink they fixed. Countertops are nice. Showers, great. We still haven't put the shower head in. I don't know, it was sitting there, but I think she cleaned it for the video. Oh, I put in blinds. We bought blinds. Those are super easy to put in. Anybody can do that. And a fan. We have a fan.
And my brother built.
Yeah. But we have a fan up here. The fan works great. Everything's good with that one. No challenges there. Guest bathroom. We have a functioning light and fan. Fantastic. We have a shower head we're going to put in. And we're going to get a cover for that, but we haven't got to...
A curtain?
Curtain, yes, not cover. We haven't got to that just yet, so we're getting there. Bear with us. The laundry room. We bought the new Samsung models from Best Buy. That wasn't a plug, but good job, Best Buy. Those are pretty good. We'll go into the guest bedroom. I just built the bed. Looks like Kona's already breaking it in. She's just gonna plop on down. I don't know what she's doing. Give her a little pet. But yeah, that's the guest bedroom. That's where all of our guests will stay. And the man cave. Still a very much work in progress. Still got a lot to do in here. Got my Peyton Manning jersey framed. That's still got to go on the wall. We got the old couch in here. We actually threw away the long piece that we thought we were going to bring in because it was way too difficult to bring up. So we just got rid of that, but this is good enough for me. Got the IU flag, the Michael Collins Irish whiskey, the TV, trophy, all that stuff. Got the mini fridge here. So we're getting there. A little butler ready to serve over there. It's ready to go. But yeah, that's the house so far. We got a lot of work to do. I forgot to mention, in both rooms I actually installed blinds. Same blinds, but took me 10 minutes. So super easy to do that. All right. We'll be back hopefully in a week, maybe 2, maybe 3, with an update video. Until then, see you guys next time. All right. That wasn't a good opening.
What is happening?
Alright. Are you gonna start?
No, it's like you. Your hat looks really weird though. Can you pull it down a little? Yeah, that's fine.
Alright guys, that'll be in the outtakes there. Alright, we're restarting this whole thing.